Is it possible, without harming our teeth and not shaving our teeth, to make a smile design? Yes, it's possible. In this case, we see the before of the patient. As you can see, he has a little bit abrasion, discoloration, and they're a little bit short. He wants the full Hollywood smile, and he wants to do it without harming his teeth. As you all know, I have an in-house lab. I do the teeth in my lab, which are handmade. I mix special powders. By mixing those powders, I give the translucency, surface characterization, the color transitions. It all looks very natural. We call in the patient, we cement them one by one. It takes approximately 1 week to do this procedure. Or sometimes people come on a Monday and they fly back on a Wednesday, Friday, it doesn't matter, and I finish their smile design. And this is the after of the case. Can you see the big difference? The before and the after. I hope it brings him good luck. If you need something like this, please give me a call. I am based right in the center of Istanbul in Zorlu Center. Zorlu Center is one of the most prestigious shopping centers with the restaurants. I am in the residences on top of it. Have a great day. Thank you.